I'm back. I'm back. You can't keep me down. No matter how hard you try, not gonna keep me down. Suck it, all you Milwaukee soy boys. Suck on that, suck it, just suck it. Here we are today. Look at this, check this out. Check it, chickadee, check it, just chickadee, check it. Okay, I showed you my BBC, I showed you my BBC, right? Big black case. This one's black, it's big, it's got the big and the black. It's also got some red, what? This is the Tradestack. Yeah, Craftsman Tradestack. You probably guessed for the black and the red, could be Craftsman. Yes, that's what it is. And I want to tell you something special about this case. Let me tell you this right now. Look at this. You undo your little clasps, right? Open her up. Look at this. Hold on. Freaking. Stand by. Butt shot. Here we are. Oh, there we go. Look at it. Just look at it. This adapter plate, right? You know, I got the adapter plate that goes on the BBC from DeWalt, right? That adapter plate lets you use T-Stack on top of your TOUGHSYSTEM 2.0. This one lets you use the Craftsman VersaStack, aka also known as well, all from China, DeWalt T-Stack. T-Stack and VersaStack, you just click this right on there and you can use that stuff. It's amazing. It's on. That's all you have to do. Come on. It's got your cool little T-Stack clasps. Wait a minute. It's got your little cool T-Stack clasps. Look at this. Little demonstration. DeWalt. This box is amazing. Stick it on. A little butt shot again. You can put almost as many things inside that box as you can in the DeWalt TOUGHSYSTEM box. It's got wheels and everything. You can make yourself a stack. You can go up higher. The wheels are rubber. It's got rubber wheels. They're not plastic. Rubber wheels. What could be better, really? What could be simpler and better? Blacker. Well, DeWalt's probably blacker. Let me go get it. We're going to confirm. Just stand by. All right, look at this. Check it out. Check it. It's a little bigger. Ain't any blacker. I would say you can almost fit as much stuff inside the DeWalt one as you can the Craftsman one. So, and I don't remember what I paid for Craftsman, but it was a lot cheaper. As a matter of fact, I think I got with a gift card to Lowe's. I can't say enough good about Lowe's, by the way. I had an issue with a salesperson there, made a comment on Facebook, and Lowe's responded and said, hey, we care. We care a lot. We care super hard. Neighbors, the enemy of the YouTuber. You can call myself a YouTuber, I suppose. Yeah. It's got one of those bicycle license plates, you know, like I bicycle and I make a statement. You know, I think they call them the Spandex Mafia or something like that. They're all mostly in Portland. We're a little ways away from Portland, but we are near another town where it's Subarus and Bernie fans and crystals instead of deodorant and all that kind of nonsense. My neighbor does have the electric Mini Cooper. What? If you got low amount of change, right? Let's say you don't live anywhere near a DeWalt outlet, or you can't shop online or something, and you're near a Lowe's, pick up the Craftsman VersaStack. No, fudge. Pick up the Craftsman Tradestack box. I've checked out their other boxes. I'm gonna get another one. What I use this thing for is gonna put my yard chemicals, things like that in there. And on top of that, I'm gonna put a case with yard tools. So I'm not gonna have the T-Stack case on. The T-Stack case goes on that right there. Goes on that. Let me tell you something. I have no complaints whatsoever. The only complaint I have with the VersaStack box is you cannot remove the handle. And let me demonstrate that. Butt shot again. People. You signaled, thank you. Probably a grub hole or something, one of those grub holes. You can't, yeah, it just doesn't come out. Pull up on it, stuck. When they designed it, people didn't care about that. Then someone complained, and look what they did. Dewalt'S come right out, and I think some of the other people, they do as well. But it's got a rubber seal. It's big and black, which is awesome. You know, what more could you ask for, really? It's a case that holds stuff. You get water coming down, not gonna get inside. It's got rubber wheels. It rolls. You can hide stuff in it. You could put, you know, rations if you're a prepper, if those still exist. Preppers, they still exist. You remember those people that get that pancakes and buckets? You've probably heard of Jim Baker buckets thing. All the 20-year shelf life food in a bucket for a disaster that's not happening. People are funny. Get the VersaStack box. Why do I keep saying VersaStack? My neighbors are distracting me, and that is making me mess up. Get the Tradestack case. It's a great value. It's quality. From what I can see, it's quality. It's just about almost as good as the Dewalt one, and it's at less money, I'm sure. And you could use the adapter plate to put your T-Stack or VersaStack stuff on top. They make a VersaStack toolkit, wrenches and things, wrenches type of that nature. Pretty nifty. I think I might actually get that. It's pretty awesome. And then you're gonna have this stack and then that stack. There's a couple different stacks. So there. Honestly, I just wanted to honestly be honest with you and tell you that I'm gonna make a tool video. Why don't I make a tool video about something I really believe in? And I believe in incredible values and tools. And I think that this box is a great deal, great value. If anybody else has one and hates it or loves it, let me know. Thank you so much. Craftsman Tradestack. Incredible box for the price. Of course, the other BBC is great too. So I just must say that. That's it. Bye. In today's day and age, where tools are at an all-time abundance, you have so many choices. You can go many different ways, and one avenue has got to be that of value. And I think that this box is valuable. You can do so many things with it. It's just fantastic. Things have come a long way. And you know, and for less than $100, you can get something that wasn't even a possibility just a few years back. And when it would have been first dreamed up, conceptualized as it were, would have been metal, would have been heavy, would have sucked, would not have been water resistant or waterproof. I own a couple Craftsman things, and I know somebody I used to work with who loved Craftsman, and it's funny, kind of ironic, because you could not consider him a Craftsman at all. It was ironic. I'm surprised he ran his drill forward to try to drill. I mean, it's that bad. I have a theory about marks. I don't think anyone named Mark is technically inclined at all. Suck on that, Marks. You know, they're probably all on Milwaukee tools. What can you do, really? Nothing. To recap. This video is being shot on an iPod. Laugh at the doofus. This video is being shot on a tripod that belongs to my wife. I want to say thank you, Lamb Chop, for letting me use this fantastic thing, because mine broke and my replacement one wobbles in the wind, and it's windy here. I think I'm done. I've done enough. Let me just say, if you're going to get a box, why not make it a good one? I mean, what are you waiting for? Go now. Do it now. Get down there and get it now. Tools from China. Oh, they're from China. These are fantastic tools. Quite frankly, they're tremendous. Tremendous tools from China. Quite frankly. Anyway, bye.